Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda, and today we're going to be opening some peas. I took some pink-eyed purple hull peas that we canned, and I'm going to show you how I cook pink-eyed purple hull peas. As you start putting your peas out, you see there's no moisture. I dumped these out, and there's really not much moisture there. You have to add a little bit of water. And the reason I wanted to mention this was a lot of people say their moisture absorbs into their peas. That is normal. That is not anything to be afraid of. Just take the spoon, dip your peas out, and you see this weird substance that looks like slime on it. That's not slime. That's simply the moisture has turned to a gel type, and it is okay. So what we're going to do is finish putting our peas in here, and I'm going to add about this much water. It's not a lot, but it's a little bit. I have fresh jalapenos, but I wanted to show you, we had taken a lot of our jalapenos and I put them in a food processor and we made jalapenos like this, and I broke it in pieces. And so when I want jalapenos in something, I can just take this piece, it's already cut up and ready to go. But we have fresh today, so I'm going to be cutting those up and dropping them in there. But when you have an overabundance, run them through a food processor, lay them out really, really flat. When they freeze, break them into chunks about the size you would like, and you're ready to go. Now, my peas have a little bit of salt in them from canning, but they don't taste that salty. So what I'm going to do is add a sprinkle of salt, probably about half a teaspoon of salt to it, the water and the jalapenos, and we're going to get them hot to a boil and let them boil for about 15 minutes. They don't have to, you can eat them like this. You can open the can and eat them. Add a little salt, whatever, if you want to. In a grid down situation, eat them out of the jar, just like this. It's not going to hurt you. But if you have wood, any way to cook, add a little water, a little jalapenos, and voila, you're going to have pink-eyed purple hull peas from a jar. Okay, we've added our jalapenos. We're going to bring it up to a boil. Boil it about 15 minutes to kind of soften the jalapenos a little. And we're good to go. We are ready to eat. I've got my peas with jalapenos, mashed potatoes. These are sweet peppers, banana peppers stuffed with cheese and cream cheese, and some of our meat bird chicken that's been cooked in the crock pot. Quick, easy meal, delicious, and all from our place. Thank you from Crazy Days.